Have a laminate floor, chances are that might get damaged. You can see here, and so is here and here. And I'll be using these two to fix this. This is the wood repairing wax set, and this is the electric soldering tool with which I'll be fixing these, and you'll be able to see how this turns up finally. You can see here, this is the temperature control section, and once I'm increasing, you will be able to spot a red light here. That is, the temperature is increasing. Once I make it less, that is less visible. So I'm adjusting the temperature slowly. Right now I've kept it at 300, and this is to check when this wax starts to melt. Now you can see here, this is melting, and as it is melting, I will let this pour here like this into these gaps slowly. And starts to fill this. So smoke is started to come. Let me reduce this. And keep continuing doing this. Like this. So when this is done, I'll try to match with other colors one by one and try to bring it seamless. At this spot, wherever it is dark, I'm trying to match with that. And wherever it is light, I will match with the light wax. So just increase the temperature as we increase. Just try to melt this here slowly. Try to level it. This one is slightly lighter than the previous one. So this was the previous one. Just trying to bring that and drop it here. This is the easiest fix. Otherwise, I will have to go for the entire panel change, which might become a bigger task. And just be careful when doing this because you are dealing with electricity, and you can see the smoke coming out. Then go for the some more lighter color than this. We will try to match it. So this way I'm trying to cover up, do a quick fix instead of going for a major work. Replacement is actually a major work, you see. I'm trying to match it like this, being careful. And once the filling is done, we'll just do a slight sanding and they should level up. Actually, don't use this. Instead, I'm using this cloth just to make it like this. Let's see, you'll hardly notice this scratch It is getting removed. So this was entire scratch. Now this is filled and you can see the difference. Now you see the scratch is gone. Even this is hardly visible. And the few other scratches which were here, nothing is seen. Now when I come here with the light reflection, you can see the fixes, but it's quite smooth and it's all gone. So do try this out.